Welcome friends. Here is very important question of chapter 3. This is the second part of question number 2 of exercise 3.6 of chapter 3. And the question says, formulate the following problem as a pair of equations and hence find the solution. And the problem is 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. So let us see how to solve this question. This is very important for examination point of view. Let one woman can finish the work in X days. Therefore, the work done by one woman in 1 day will be equals to 1 over X. Same as we shall let one man can finish the work in Y days. Therefore, the work done by one man in 1 day equals to 1 over Y. And now we can apply the information given in the question, and 2 women and 5 men can together finish the embroidery work in 4 days. And here is the case 1, when 2 women and 5 men can together finish. 2 women and 5 men can finish the work in 4 days. This is the case 1. And according to this case, 2 women, the work of 2 women of 1 day will be 2 over X, and the work of 5 men of 1 day will be 5 over Y. And if we put these work in together, so this work is equals to 1 over 4, because in 1 day 2 women and 5 men complete 1 over 4 of the work. So this is our equation number 1, and we shall try to put in standard form of linear equation. Before that, we shall discuss the case second. In case second, 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. When 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Therefore, the equation will be 3 over X plus 6 over Y equals to 1 over 3. Because this is the work of 3 women in 1 day and this is the work of 6 men in 1 day. If we put together, then together 3 women and 6 men finish the 1/3 of the work. And now we shall reduce these equations into pair of linear equations, and for that we shall let 1 over X is equals to P and 1 over Y is equals to Q. Therefore, the first equation will be 2P plus 5Q equals to 1 over 4. And if we multiply both the sides by 4, then we have 8P plus 20Q equals to 1. This is our equation number 1. And our second equation will be 3P plus 6Q is equals to 1 over 3. Now we shall multiply both the sides by 3, then we have 9P plus 18Q is equals to 1. This is our equation number 2. And now we shall apply the substitution method to solve this pair of linear equation, and for that we shall start with equation number 1. From equation number 1, here we have 8P plus 20Q is equals to 1, and we shall write the value of P in terms of Q. Then it will be 8P equals to 1 minus 20Q. Therefore P is equals to 1 minus 20q over 8. We shall substitute this value in equation number 2. Putting in equation number 2, then we have 9p, 9 times 1 minus 20q over 8 plus 18q equals to 1. We shall take this 18q to the right hand side, then it will be minus 18q, and here we have 9 times 1 minus 20q over 8. And now we shall do cross multiplication. Then we have 9 times 1 minus 20q equals to 8 times 1 minus 18q. If we further solve it, then we have 9 minus 180q equals to 8 minus 144q, and we shall take this 144q to the left hand side, then it will be plus 144q, and here we have 8 minus 9, it will be minus 36q equals to minus 1. This is equals to q equals to 1 over 36. Now we shall substitute this value in equation number 1 to get the value of q, and the equation number 1 is 8p plus 20q equals to 1. 8p plus 20q, q is 1 over 36 equals to 1. We can cancel out by 4. Then we have 8p equals to 1 minus 5 over 9. This means 4 over 9. Here we have 8p over 1. This means we can cancel out 4 times 1. Then we have p equals to 1 over 18. And now we can easily find the value of x and y. P is equals to 1 over 18, then 1 over x is equals to 1 over 18. This implies that x is equals to 18. Same as when q is equals to 1 over 36, then 1 over y is equals to 1 over 36. This implies that y equals to 36. Therefore, one woman can finish the work in 18 days, while one man can finish the work in 36 days. So this is the solution of the question. Thank you.